my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Racnna Beauty. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to apply your foundation seamlessly. If you are excited, if you are interested, please let's get right into it. The items you are going to get for applying your foundation are a foundation that is the same with your skin tone. I mean your skin tone foundation. For me, I'm using Milani foundation, 2-in-1 foundation. Milani Conceal Plus Perfect foundation. I'm using in the shade 13, that's chestnut. The next thing you are going to get is a primer, and the primer I'm using here is classic mattifying face primer. I don't know if you guys can see it. Classic mattifying face primer. And another thing you want to have is a kabuki flat brush or your beauty blender. I don't have the kabuki flat. What is wrong with me? I don't have the kabuki flat brush now, but for me, I'm using a beauty blender. So let's get started. Primer first before your foundation. It's very, very important. I'm going to use my flat brush to apply my foundation. No, sorry. To apply my primer. I'm going to use my flat brush right here to apply my primer. The reason why I'm going to be using this flat brush is because there won't be any jams. If I should apply if I should use my hand to apply this primer, I don't know whether my hand is full of germs or not. And to apply it to your face is very risky because the face is very, very important. So I'm using a flat brush to apply this primer all over my face. So one thing you will need to do after applying your primer is to allow it to sit and rest into your skin for like 2 minutes before applying your foundation. So after letting the primer to sit on my skin, I'm going for my foundation. And the foundation I'm using today is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade chestnut. I don't know if you guys can see it well. For me, I use minimal foundation. So it depends on you. I didn't have spots on my face that I want to conceal. So I use minimal foundation for my face.
What I'm trying to pass across here is that I love to go for a natural foundation look that will match my skin tone.
My beauty blender. If you have something you want to cover, if you have a dark spot or a mark that you want to cover on your face, you can use more than this amount of foundation that I'm using. For me, I'm going to use this minimal. And if you are applying your foundation, you wouldn't want to drag it like this. You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't want to drag it this way. You stipple it.
What I'm trying to pass across here is that to achieve a flawless, seamless foundation application on your face, you need to stipple it the way I'm doing in this video. Don't swipe, don't wipe. If not, if you swipe or wipe, it's going to create a lines and the foundation application is not going to be smooth. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Don't swipe, don't wipe. That's the logic. Don't swipe, don't wipe. Dab it, stipple it this way. This method can also go for the kabuki flat brush. Can you notice the difference from the foundation that I apply with my skin tone? So it is always advisable, if you are going for your foundation, go with your skin tone. I don't know if I'm making sense. Make sure you buy a foundation that is very close to your skin tone. Then you can achieve a flawless, seamless application look. So guys, this is the end of the foundation application look. I hope you love my makeup. For the tutorial on this eyeshadow, please feel free to go and watch. I've already created a playlist for it. Go and watch it. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment. I'll be in the comment section to reply to all your comments. Subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. Let's catch fun here. Love lives here. So subscribe to my channel. So I hope you love my look. You can see that the foundation is actually seamless. No harsh lines, no demarcations between my face and my neck. You can see it, guys. So apply all those tips. It will surely help you guys. See you all very, very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.